If you want to transfer data from iPhone to Samsung Galaxy A27, then in that case we can use the Smart Switch app, which we already have installed on Samsung Galaxy A27. To find it, go to the app drawer, choose the Samsung folder, and here we have the Smart Switch app. So of course we're going to open it on our Samsung. And let's move on to the iPhone for a second, because over here we have to download exactly the same app to be able to transfer files. So of course we can go to the App Store. And then here in the App Store, you should be able to search for Smart Switch app. It's going to be Samsung Smart Switch Mobile. This is the app that you want to install. And then you want to open it once you have it installed. Now we're going to tap on Let's Go. Over here on Samsung Galaxy A27, we're going to choose that we want to receive on this phone, and you want to choose iPhone/iPad. Then you have the option to transfer files with the wireless method, or of course with the cable. It's up to you which one you prefer. If you have a cable that fits both your Samsung Galaxy A27 and your iPhone, then of course you can choose that. But in my case, I'm going to use the wireless option. And over here, I'm going to do the same thing on iPhone. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds, and a QR code is going to be generated, which we have to scan on our iPhone right now. So let's just scan it and then confirm that you want to join the network, and then wait for both devices to connect. Once they connect, after a short time, you should be able to see everything that you can transfer. Now in my case, I'm just going to transfer images. I don't need to transfer everything. In your case, you probably want to select everything. And what you need to keep in mind is that unfortunately you cannot transfer everything from iPhone to Samsung or to Android in general, simply because some things are not compatible. For example, apps. You cannot transfer apps from iPhone to Samsung because apps on Android are built in a slightly different way than on iOS, so they don't work so it won't work essentially if you try to do that. So once you're ready, just tap on transfer and then wait for everything to be transferred. And there we go. Of course, if you have more files to transfer, then it's going to take longer to of course do so. You have to be sometimes patient, depending on how much you actually need to transfer, of course. Then just wait for the organizer to be done after transferring everything. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.